I'm Matt and I'm with Middlewich Wharf Boat Brokerage.
And I'm Paul, and today we are somewhere a little bit different, a bit further away from Middlewich than we normally are. We are on the Macclesfield Canal with a boat called TooDoo that's coming on to brokerage. It's a 45-foot Liverpool boat built in the early 1990s, and we're just cruising the boat at the moment to a mooring in order to take it on. So, if you'd like any information on the boat, then give us a shout. Our number is 0330 043 0547. And we will answer any of your questions and organise viewings for you so you can come and have a look around the boat for yourself. Before we dive into today's tour of this amazing boat that's coming up for sale with us at Middlewich Wharf, I just want to give you a quick heads up of one of the other things that we do here at Middlewich Wharf, which is floating holidays. Before going and jumping feet first into buying a canal boat, it's always best to try before you buy, and that's certainly something you can do with floating holidays by taking one of our boats out for a cruise along the canals. We've got boats that range from 2 people all the way up to 10 berth boats in a range of different styles and layouts, so you can test out what you think will be best and avoid making any costly mistakes or buying the wrong sort of boat when you do look for one yourself, when you do take to the water with your own vessel. So do check out our boats if you'd like to try before you buy at floatingholidays.co.uk, and let's go back to Narrowboat TooDoo and have a look around. Matthew's not actually seen the inside of the boat yet.
Nope.
We've plonked him on the back of the boat and told him to drive, and he's very obediently driven. So we're going to send Matthew in to have a look around and give you his thoughts, really, as a first impression.
Smashing.
See what you think.
Let's go and have a look. Oh, yeah. So as Paul says, I've never actually been inside here before. It's actually quite a roomy bedroom, to be fair. It's actually very nice, to be fair. We've seen a few pictures of it, but it's totally well. Pictures don't do any boat justice, really. Oh wow! A totally modern bathroom as well. Same toilet as what I've got in my boat, and I can strongly recommend it. It is a fantastic, reliable Thetford cassette toilet. Nice little. Oh yes, very nice. Very spacious as well. And to make the space even more, well, work in your favour even more, of course, we've got a wet room, which is even better, really, because, of course, the actual floor itself is part of the shower unit. Very nice indeed, and very well sealed, which means that you're not going to have any damp problems through your boat. Beautiful. Now, it's all down to personal preference, really, but I do quite like the wooden interior. I think it's starting to come back into fashion. A lot of people have started painting them white, like this has begun to be painted. My boat itself that I live on has white wooden walls, and to be fair, it brings so much more daylight into the boat. Now, as I'm sure you know, this is a bit of a fixer-upper. It's a boat that needs finishing, which is why the price is as it is. But don't be dismayed. There's not actually a great deal of work that needs doing. We've got plenty of room here for new apparatus to be fitted. And look at this, an absolutely well and truly spacious saloon. This is fantastic. You could do a lot with this. Oh, and a nice comfy sofa to go to. This is lovely. Much more roomy than the pictures showed, to be fair. This is very nice and a very comfortable. This would make a very comfortable liveaboard. As you can see, the well deck and the cratch area. It's not finished yet, but again, it means that you've got a blank canvas to do whatever you want with this boat. You can make it yours. I do indeed like the corner stove. That's very nice. It's you don't really get many boats with a proper corner stove. And I can, well, for those that have never lived on a boat or been on a boat during the winter time before, There is nothing quite like coming inside, lighting the fire, sticking the kettle on, and just watching them flames go up. It's lovely, really relaxing, and it's surprising how lovely and cosy and warm your boat gets. But yeah, as I say, you know, it is indeed a fixer-upper. However, this gives you the opportunity to make this boat yours, and so much can be done with it. So much already has been done with it. It's wonderful, and a very good price too, I think.
Now, you may be wondering why we are mooring this boat in Bollington and not at Middlewich Wharf while it's on brokerage. There is actually a hole in the canal, a breach in the canal between Macclesfield and Congleton, just above the Bosley flight of locks, and that is due to be open again on June the 20th, at which point you'll be able to access the rest of the canal network if you wish to purchase the boat and move it to any other location via the water if you wanted to. And where we're mooring this boat in Bollington, there is also a dry dock just around the corner for any out of water survey. So even though it's not at Middlewich Wharf currently, it will still be quite close to a dry dock for any surveys, so you can still make sure you can purchase the boat having done all your proper due diligence and confident that you've got a good bit of kit that's gonna see you right, really, because I wouldn't recommend anybody buys a boat without a survey. At the end of the day, it's an expensive purchase, and if you buy something and it turns out to have a problem, then it turns out it's your problem. If you have a survey, you can at least be going into things eyes open and be prepared for anything that needs to be done. That being said, this is a 1992 Liverpool boat. My first boat was a 1993 Liverpool boat of a similar size, and that, when I sold it in 2021, was in impeccable condition in terms of the hull. The steel that they had in the early 90s, late 80s was of a much higher quality than you can get now, and it had barely deteriorated at all, which, with good maintenance and looking after, you know, these boats will last a long time. So we have a stable door here, so if you did have any canine friends, then that would be ideal. There's the bed and the side covers that go on the cover on the back. Bit of storage above the bed. Some electrical gubbins in the corner. You've got your hot water tank in there, a little cupboard, and then this boat has had a brand new bathroom put in that is a wet room. So there she is. So you've got a wet room that's totally tiled, shower, little sink, and a cassette loo. Cassette loo just comes out at the back there for disposal. The kitchen does need a bit of finishing off. There is a fridge, a cooker and a hob in the boxes there, ready to go with the boat. So the kitchen just needs worktops and bits and pieces done. The windows have all been replaced on this boat, and they have some double glazed windows with a thermal break from Coldwell's. Those windows probably come in around £4,500–5,000 that the owners put in, and they're throughout the boat. And then in the lounge, a nice open space, fireplace at the front there. A bit of cosmetic things to finish off with the painting, with the trims around the windows. And as we come forward, got that cratch cover on the front there and lots of extra storage there. So that is Narrowboat TooDoo, a 45-foot Liverpool boat built in 1992. If you'd like any further information or to arrange a viewing on Narrowboat TooDoo, please get in touch. Our telephone number is 0330 043 0547. You can also see a 360 virtual tour of the boat on our website shown on screen, or email us on the address shown as well.